Experiencing a memory card error on your Garmin Dash Cam can be frustrating. This error message typically indicates an issue with the microSD card's compatibility, file system, or physical condition. Garmin Dash Cams, such as the 65 Body, 55, and Mini series, are particularly sensitive to card specifications. These errors occur primarily due to compatibility issues, where the microSD card doesn't meet the required specifications like Class 10 or UHS Wine speed ratings. File system problems, such as improper formatting or data corruption from continuous video recording, are another common cause. Additionally, physical damage from the high write cycles that dash cams perform can lead to card failure. By understanding these underlying causes, we can now move toward effective troubleshooting methods. In the following sections, we'll explore specific steps to resolve these issues and prevent them in the future. Garmin dash cams require specific microSD card specifications to operate without errors. The most important requirement is using Class 10 or higher cards with a UHS speed rating. Different SD card types have varying compatibility with cameras. SDHC, SDXC-I, SDXC2, and SDXC-HINE Express cards each have specific features that determine their suitability for dash cams. For storage capacity, older Garmin dash cam models support microSD cards up to 128 gigabytes. However, newer models released in 2024 and later can handle cards up to 512 gigabytes. Importantly, avoid using UHS-2 microSD cards as they are often incompatible with Garmin dash cams. UHS-INE cards have a different pin layout that works with the dash cam's hardware. The speed class of the microSD card determines what video formats it can support. Class 10 and higher ensures smooth recording of high-definition video without corruption. Higher-speed UHS-2 cards offer faster read-write speeds, but their additional pins make them incompatible with Garmin dash cams. Using the wrong type of card is a leading cause of memory card errors. The file system on your memory card is crucial for preventing errors in Garmin dash cams. Cards should use FAT32 for smaller sizes or exFAT for larger ones to handle the constant writing of video loops. exFAT is particularly useful for larger cards, organizing files by size, attributes, path, and hierarchy to manage the high data flow from dash cams. To format on Windows, use File Explorer or Disk Management. Insert the card, right-click it, and choose the appropriate file system. On Mac, open Disk Utility, select your card, and erase it with the exFAT file system. Some Garmin dash cams allow formatting directly in their settings, which can ensure perfect compatibility with the device. Different error messages indicate different problems. A memory card error usually points to physical damage or incompatibility. A full card error might mean insufficient space or loop recording failure. A memory card error usually points to physical damage or incompatibility. A full card error might mean insufficient space or loop recording failure. If you encounter any error message, try formatting the card first. If that doesn't work, replace it with a recommended card. We'll address specific error messages and their corresponding solutions. First, safely remove the memory card from your Garmin dash cam. Power off the device completely to avoid data corruption or damage. Next, insert the card into a computer using a card reader. Format it to FAT32 for cards up to 32 gigabytes, or exFAT for larger capacities. This ensures proper file system compatibility. If the memory card error continues after formatting, the card may be faulty. Replace it with a reliable brand like SanDisk Extreme or Samsung Pro Endurance for better durability and compatibility. Heat can significantly affect microSD card performance in Garmin dash cams. High temperatures inside your car create an environment where cards are prone to errors and data loss. The microSD card slot in your dash cam is particularly vulnerable to heat buildup, especially in parked cars during hot weather. This can lead to card corruption and loss of recorded footage. If you live in a hot climate, consider using heat-resistant microSD cards like the Samsung Pro Endurance series. These cards are specifically designed to withstand high temperatures and provide reliable performance in demanding automotive environments. Additionally, ensure your dash cam has adequate ventilation to prevent heat buildup. Proper airflow helps maintain optimal operating temperatures and reduces the risk of card errors. This highlights the importance of considering environmental factors when choosing and maintaining your memory card. For example, a logistics company using Garmin Dash Cam 65 Boleus experienced widespread errors during a heat wave, which were resolved by switching to Samsung Pro Endurance cards and enabling heat-resistant features. The market is flooded with counterfeit micro SD cards that claim high capacity and fast speeds, but are actually unreliable and prone to failures. To avoid these counterfeits, always purchase micro SD cards from reputable retailers such as official brand websites, authorized electronics stores, or well-known online marketplaces. Be wary of deals that seem too good to be true, as extremely low prices often indicate counterfeit products with inferior quality. Before using any new microSD card in your dashcam, always test it to verify its actual capacity and read-write speeds. Using counterfeit cards can lead to data loss, corrupted footage, and unreliable dashcam performance. Protecting yourself from these fakes is essential for maintaining data security and ensuring your dashcam works reliably when you need it most. Current dashcam technology relies heavily on physical memory cards, which can cause errors like corruption or incompatibility. Looking ahead, cloud backup through Garmin Connect is gaining popularity. This allows automatic uploads of footage, reducing the need for physical memory cards. Garmin is planning to integrate NVMe-based internal storage in future models starting 2027-2028. This built-in storage would eliminate external card errors entirely. These advancements will create a more reliable dashcam experience, minimizing errors and improving data management for users.